Page 14. Let me just complete the facts.
On a lighter note, if I may mention, I was once faced with a bench and I said, my lords have decided the matter, I rest my case. I mean, आपको सुनने बैठे इधर, फिर हम फैसला कर लेंगे.
I can never say that about you.
आप कर लें आर्ग्यू, फिर हम सुन आपको सवाल पूछेंगे.
I think that's an unfair statement.
नहीं आपके लिए नहीं कह रहे.
And it's an unfair statement.
चले आगे. It's on a lighter note. चले आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Full court is sitting here. Every judge is entitled to ask whatever question he or she wants at whatever stage.
Absolutely correct, but I just want to hear your contentions.
Nothing should be implied that minds have been made up. That's not a fair statement, and I do not accept it.
चले फैसल साहब आप चलें प्लीज आर्ग्यू कीजिए.
In defense of the Chief Justice, I think it was on the lighter note, sir.
Right, I'll repeat what I said and I'll say it with a smile.
Sir, आप भी lighter note पे ये कह दें.
आप फैसल साहब आप आर्ग्यू करेंगे केस या नहीं करेंगे?
Page 14.
चलिए. बता दें कुछ.
सर सॉरी, पेज 14 नहीं, अगर मैं आपको पेज 21 पे ले जाऊं.
So coming back to the chart, and the relevance of this is that the Election Commission has, in the very least, recognized that some independents have joined this party.
जी.
And these are the number of seats
of that party.
So you say they're recognized as a political party, and the requirement of the independents joining this political party is recognized through this document.
Yes, that's the point. And as early as 22nd February 2024, जो मैं बाद के डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आपको दिखाऊंगा कि इन्होंने फिर उसको गायब कर दिया चार्ट से.
आर्टिकल 51 में ये बताया गया कि सिर्फ ये जो प्रिविलेज है, ये हक सिर्फ आजाद उम्मीदवार का है कि वो किसी दूसरी पार्टी में शामिल.
Yes.
ये माइंड में रखें कि ये जो लोग शामिल हुए, they were not independent. This privilege was available to them or not, ये आपने बताना है. क्या वो शामिल हो सकते थे? अगर हो सकते थे तो उसकी बुनियाद पे रिजर्व सीट इनको मिल सकती थी या सिर्फ आजाद को शामिल करने के बाद.
वो आपका जरा सा फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन, आई विल कम टू दैट. लेट मी जस्ट पेज 21
से होगा तो आगे चलेंगे.
I will answer all 10 questions, sir. Page 21. इसमें भी अगर आप देखिएगा, this is for non-Muslims 23rd February 2024 है. और इसका साथ भी चार्ट अगर आप देखिएगा, और सीरियल नंबर 3 पे जरा देखिएगा. Number of independents joining the Sunni Ittihad Council 81, and number of seats they have after joining 81.
जो आगे लिखा है मैटर इज पेंडिंग बिफोर.
जी, अब मैं आता हूँ. अब अगर आप मेन फाइल पे आ जाएं काइंडली, and I come to page 90. ये सिविल अपील 333 of 2024.
Mr. Faisal, page 90.
Sir, page 90, sir. Main file. Civil appeal 333 of 2020. सर ये जरा सा इम्पोर्टेंट है, अगर मैं पढ़ दूं काइंडली. It's addressed to the Election Commission. It is dated February 21st, 2024. And your lordships would have noted all those notifications were 22 and 23 February. Subject due share of Sunni Ittihad councils in the seats reserved in NA. Dear sir, after the general elections held on February 8, 2024, independent candidates whose nominations are returned to the National Assembly were issued by the ECP on different dates joined Sunni Ittihad Council as a political party. According to their consent forms, affidavits are filed by SEC and reserved in this commission while the following.
Received
And
in this commission.
That is a total of 86 MNAs in the National Assembly. On the strength of SIC, you are therefore requested to kindly issue necessary directions to allocate to Sunni Ittihad Council its due share in the seats reserved in the National Assembly for women and non-Muslims on the basis of the aforesaid strength in the National Assembly. We look forward to hearing from you at your convenience so that we may submit our priority list to the Commission for notification of our MNAs on these reserved seats. Now, this is an important statement because we
Can
are...
you refer to this consent form affidavit? Just show us a specimen that is referred to in paragraph 1.
Sir, that is not filed.
We need to see it?
Yes.
What do you consent to? What do you file an affidavit
Yes,
for?
yes, that is not filed. मैं instructions ले लूंगा, लेकिन issue यही है. I think it is in the sealed office, but I'll seek instructions.
No,
on that.
sorry. This is Sunni Ittihad Council writing it.
जी जी
आप हर चीज वहीं सील्ड ऑफिस में डाल रहे हैं.
सर,
अभी तो
लेकिन ये सारे
मेरे-
डॉक्यूमेंट्स पीटीआई के ऑफिस में
भाई ये तो आपका खत है सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल.
फाइल कर दिए थे, लेकिन वो जो कॉपी
एक स्पेसिमेन तो दिखा देना.
सर वो
क्या ये कोई स्पेसिमेन दिया हुआ है, कानून में दिया गया हुआ है, या हर आदमी अपनी मर्जी का फाइल करता है? तो कानून में कोई फॉर्मेट है, फॉर्म दिया गया है कि स्पेसिमेन वो कौन सा कानून है वो दिखाएं. मतलब बात ये आप इस डॉक्यूमेंट में तो इस बात को खत्म कर लेना. तो फैक्चुअली मैंने नहीं देखा.
मैं ये I'll come back to मैं अगर ये फैक्ट्स कंप्लीट I'll come back to this, but there is no dispute regarding this.
हम सिर्फ देखना चाह रहे हैं, समझने के लिए. डिस्प्यूट कौन कर रहा है?
I'll come back to but let me just.
तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इस 21 तारीख तक 21 फरवरी तक आपकी तरफ से रिजर्व सी आपसे मुराद सुन्नी इत्तेहाद की तरफ से रिजर्व कैंडिडेट के लिए कोई लिस्ट
नहीं
न नॉमिनेशन पेपर
नहीं.
और ये भी प्रॉब्लम बताने कि क्या बाद में हो सकता है.
जी that is the procedural controversy before your lordship.
एक चीज और, ये जो 3 दिन जो शुरू होते हैं वो कौन सी तारीख से शुरू होते हैं?
From the date of the notification.
डेट बताइए, एक्चुअल डेट कौन सी थी वो 3 दिन वाली?
17 और 18 को डिफरेंट डेट्स को डिफरेंट वो हुए हैं नोटिफिकेशंस.
उनको छोड़ दीजिए ना. वो 3 days starts from 17th February
17th कुछ
और
के लिए
18th.
कुछ के लिए 18th.
So 18, 19, 20, 21
जी.
और 20. Correct?
जी
The 3 days is mentioned in the Constitution. 17th or 18th.
सर, ये इशू भी रेज हुआ था बिफोर द इलेक्शन
I'm
कमीशन.
just asking the facts.
Election Commission has not decided against us on this point, but I'll come to that. Page 91 देख लीजिए.
प्रोविंशियल के लिए
जी 91, 92, 93 sir. All three are similar letters seeking allocation of reserved seats to the 3 assemblies and seeking permission to file the list.
Did they respond to this letter?
This is the very letter which becomes the basis of the impugned order.
But since they have emphasized on a 3-day requirement, did they respond to this letter? Did they respond to this letter?
They did not. I don't think they responded to this letter, but they did respond in the form of their notification, where they included us, included the independents.
The ones you just referred to.
Yes. So that is proof enough that they accepted us joining the Sunni Ittihad Council.
Faisal, this is factual information.
Ji.
There are 2 steps under 51. One is to joining the political
Ji, ji.
party and then asking for reserve seats.
Ji.
I'm a bit confused about the dates. The first date when they joined the political party was what date?
Sir, ये
That is, आपने जो हमें notification दिखाया, dates ऊपर
नहीं,
नीचे.
नोटिफिकेशन तो बाद में इशू हुआ है. अगर आप देखिएगा लेटर में वो
First step कब किया आपने?
जी सर, देखिए पहला है लिस्ट ऑफ 50 MNAs while डायरी नंबर so and so dated. ये मैं पेज 90 पे पढ़ रहा हूँ सर.
3 दिन में ज्वाइन किया है ना आप
वही तो
लोगों
पूछ
ने.
रहे हैं ना. एंड रिसीव्ड इन द कमीशन.
जी.
वो दिखाएंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा ना.
No, Mr. Faisal, this is asking for reserve seats.